cute.
Okay, well then that was way easier than expected, but we
Yeah.
finally did it.
I mean, it's a warm-up, you
Oh.
know, for the warden fight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job,
Let's do the
team.
warden next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The warden's near my
job.
house. If you go in my basement, you can hear him.
Oh. Oh, did you see the
Does he
warden's
whisper to
castle?
you? No.
It's actually quite nearby. Here it comes.
Ooh. Is it really, or am I getting...
Yeah, like across over there. Do you see?
See what?
This is
I
the
see a
warden's castle.
I see a big tree.
Did they just like build it on top of it?
Isn't that cronies? The warden built it. Oh, the warden! The time warden? Oh my god!
Oh, I love the soundboard.
Okay.
Alright.
That.
Who's that?
Oh.
Where may I put my guild resignation?